Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how you can fill your BGC form without doing any mistakes because some of the mistakes can really cost you. So let's start the video without any further delay. When your status is showing like ILP eligible, that means you have to start your filling BGC form so that after submitting that you can start uploading your documents. So let's see how the BGC form look like. So here is the instructions like basic details, academics and other details and declaration. Okay, field marked with asterisk are mandatory and you have to fill that. Okay, and if you have any doubt related to your BGC form, you can contact in ilp.support@tcs.com. Okay, let's see. After clicking over here, start filling the form, you will get the interface like this. Here, you have to write name like middle name and last names and all. Here, date of birth. Here, your email ID. Let's suppose your name contains only two words, then first word should be the first name and the last word should be the last name. For example, my name is Amd Irfan. Okay, my MD can be the first name, but Irfan cannot be a last name like it's look like, but I have to write MD in a first and Irfan in a last. I have to left middle. Okay, like that you have to write. After that, there is an option, do you have a PAN card? If you have a PAN card, then click on yes. If you don't have PAN card, just apply right now. And you can click on no, but I have applied for it. Okay. Permanent account number, that is PAN number. It is mandatory over here. After applying, you will get a PAN number. You have to write this over here. Then they will ask, do you have passport? If you have passport, click on yes. If you don't have passport, just apply right now. It is very mandatory. Okay. And click on this. After this, there is a present address. Okay, there is another address. I will show you first, then we'll talk about this. Permanent address, and then is longest stay. Let's first see the permanent address. Okay, in permanent address, you have to write the house number over here. Okay, house number and some details. Here you have to write like your location, main location, then your landmark over here, country, state, city, pin code. Your alternate mobile number should be there, your mobile number, period of stay, like from your date of birth to right now. Okay, because you haven't left your permanent address, so you have to write your present date over here. Okay, then the longest stay. If your permanent address and the longest stay address are the same, you can click on yes. Otherwise, you have to fill your longest stay. Like in most of the case, 4 years for a 4-year BTech student, BTech or anything, BS, BCA, anything, you have to go outside. In that case, the longest stay is this. So you have to write the address of this over here. If you don't have house number, just write your apartment name over here. Okay, then area, landmark, etc and all. Here you have to fill your period of stay. Like let's suppose you have joined your college in 2020 and you have completed your BTech in 2024. So you just have to write 2020 and 2024. Okay, like this. Let's see the present address. Okay, so let's suppose if you have completed your BTech and you come back your home, then you have to write a permanent address over here. Let's suppose your home and BTech location is like kind of same. You have to write again permanent address over here. But if your permanent address and you are living in different address, both are like kind of different, present address and permanent address. Like someone has a village and then someone shifted into a different location, then only you have to write a different location address over here. All right, still you have any query regarding this, you can ask in the comment. Let's see. After this, you have to click on save and continue. Then you will come to academic and other detail. Here the first is graduate, like what you have done, you have to write over here. Duration, you have to write over here. Course type, it is full time or a part time, you have to write over here. Institute or university, you have to write institute over here basically. Major subject, you have to write over here. Like field of study, you can write computer science over here. Grading system is your CGPA or marks, you have to write over here. CGPA obtained, you have to write over here. Total CGPA, you have to write over here. And equivalent percentage, you have to write over here. Like let's suppose you have 8.9 CGPA, then percentage should be 89%. Then that should be like this. After this, you have to go to the gap detail. Like let's suppose if you have any gap in your academics, you have to just add one row. You have to write duration from to and the reason. You have to mention the month and year over here. And also you have to make a gap certificate. I already made a video on this, how you have to make gap certificate, what is the sample of that, you can go and check it out. After this, there is a reference detail. Like there is two reference 1 and reference 2. Okay, you have to write details of both the reference. So in most of the case, you can give the reference of your professor TPO reference, like your TPO detail over here, training and placement over here. In first column, try to give a training placement officer detail over here, and in the second you can give the professor detail over here. Okay, they will call them and like they will check about you whether you are studying in that college or not. So give this perfectly and correctly. After this, there is a security detail. Are you involved in any pending or closed criminal cases? Of course, no. Are you involved in any pending and closed? So here you have to write no over here. Apart from this, let's go to the other detail. Do you have multiple names or name change in any of the document required as a part of background check process? So if you have multiple name, like in 10th you have different name, in 12th you have different name, like it is not kind of matching, so you have to write yes. If it is kind of okay, then you have to write no over here. Okay, then again, do you have an NSR e-card? So apply for NSR e-card right now, it is very important. It will be generated in approx 7 days. Then you can just click on yes and then only start filling this. After this, you have to click on save and continue. Then there is a declaration, like you have to click on I agree. You have to write the place, current place over here, and submit BGC form. After submission, your document upload form will be open. Then you can start uploading your documents. Okay, here on click of fill BGC form, you can fill your BGC form. Here in ILP corner, you have to write your NSR ID pin and you have to click on submit. And one more thing, you have to download your application form. It is very mandatory, like your application form should be with you. So yeah, that's all about this video. If you have any doubt related to this video, you can comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel because it really motivates me. So yeah, I'm wrapping this video over here, signing off.